Ginebra versus Converge, and early as it gets, si Juan yung focal point ng defense and hard show agad pero still made the outside shot. And ito yung reason why Stockton is a better starter than Winston, yung kanyang defense. If only nag-sign si Ildefonso para dun sa 3 spot no? Though Racal is also doing a good job in that position. Marami lang siyang basher pero he is the guy for that. This is a different Scottie Thompson. Lagi kong sinasabi na mas better siya if siya yung magki-create ng offense instead of fully sundin yung triangle. Yung kanyang strength attacking the basket is showcase. And nangyari yan ng back-to-back possession para sa Ginebra. He even posting up Juan Gomez de Leano and good things happen for them. And wow for Coach Tim. Kahit dito sa playoffs is ginawa niya pa rin yung bago niyang rotation na tinatry during those games na tambak na nila, which si RJ Abarrientos yung 6-man and the rest are role players kung saan nagbe-blend ng maayos because of Radko's shooting and they played decent minutes. The second quarter, mas nagsettle muna yung Converge on their half-court sets. And buti na lang, yung off-ball movement ni Alex Stockton is gumagana sa period na to. And halos lahat is sa kanya. Tapos gumanda na rin yung ball movement nila para medyo makalayo sa Ginebra. Pero again, yung pag-attack ni Scottie, lagi talagang maganda yung resulta. This time, he feeds Norbert Torres for an easy 2 points. Makikita rin natin yung classic Vic Manuel. Tamang-tama yung role na binigay sa kanya, pero Ginebra is too hot to end the quarter. In the third quarter, what a showing from Japet Aguilar. Bumata ba siya? Like, he is the one fighting for offensive boards. Put back jump pa yung ginawa. And in the next possession, he is taking Baltasar into school on how to get proper rebounds. Another 2 points for Japet Aguilar. And dito na yung RJ Abarrientos and yung Winston problem ng Converge. Manlalaki talaga yung mata ni RJ kung yung defender niya is not will not give him a hard time. Naglag pa nga for a simple hand-off play, 2 points. Mainit na kahit kinuha na siya ni Juan is pure confidence na. Tapos sinamahan pa ni Stephen Holt ng kanyang outside shooting. Then, nagalit si Justin Baltasar putting this hammer off the dribble. Kaso sobrang daming sayang na possessions kay Winston. Actually, siya yung may most attempts dito sa game but shoots only 35%. Pero Vic Manuel nagbibigay ng buhay sa Converge. Sayang lang kasi short minutes lang yung binibigay sa kanya kahit positive impact yung nangyayari. Close game, but Scottie Thompson creates again, sends it to RJ for the 3-point shot. Sakit nun. In the final period, maganda sana yung nilalaro ni Stockton kaso foul trouble yung nagpalimit ng kanyang production. And sobrang init na rin talaga for Ginebra. Good defense na to from Juan pero ibang klase yung showmanship ni RJ on this one. Tsaka grabe yung foul baiting niya, bentang-benta. Ito nga versus Stockton, naging mali pa yung pag-iwas ni Stockton sa contact kasi yung pag-iwas na yun is naging trigger para mag-act si RJ na na-foul and Juan. And again, off-ball movement, no better close out from Converge. Another 3-point shot para kay RJ Abarrientos. And here, another Winston turnover leading to a fast break of Ginebra hanggang sa nabugbog na yung Converge and a total meltdown sa endgame. Nagbigay sila ng 35 points sa Ginebra on a fourth quarter on a playoff game. That's now how you do it, Converge. 105-85. RJ with 35 points, Scottie with a triple-double. For me, sabihin na natin manipis yung calls pero hindi yan yung full reason ng meltdown Yung man rotation pa rin yung problem para sa akin. Tsaka simula nung nawala yung international coach nila is naging vulnerable na yung Converge Kasi nagkaroon nga yun ng offer sa ibang liga. Converge is playing MJ Garcia too much bilang undersized na small forward. A lot of bad shot selections kay Winston. Yung ginagawa ni RJ is pure talent so dapat matutumbasan na lang pero wala. Nagpa-down sa kanila ng flow Ng elimination, halos gamitin si Juan ng 40 minutes per game. Ngayon, 29 minutes. Si Racal and Caralipio played around 5 minutes only na yan yung dapat prototype small forward sana. Pero of course, you will go to your players Ganoon naman talaga yung coach. Kung sino yung player niya, kung saan siya may tiwala. Pero, nawala yung identity ng kanilang team. Tapos may mga trade rumors pa around kay Stockton like saan galing. The guy has been with Converge simula nung binili from ground zero and siya yung perfect 2 guard for them. And all are talking na dapat siya yung i-trade instead of Winston na parang papel sa defense, turnover prone and a bad shot taker. Manuel played decent, can bang up with Aguilar na playing well. Played moments like this before and hindi pa wash si Vic. Converge really melt nung nag-run yung Ginebra and we will have a do or die game sa December 28.